course with swollen tide meets the warm southern breeze through the Gulf of Memories. Missouri and clear Ohio give the currents to the tide. Now the river's Louisiana's for that willow tree line ride. From Poole Angola down to Venice, scattering horseshoes everywhere. Oh, the river's Louisiana with no glory or bank to share. If the river had its way to Champlain, it'd be its home. Straighten out them horseshoes, find another bank to roam. Now there's cane fires up the bank of the horseshoe old smoke bin. And the smoke was double thick, now that fog is rolling in. You tie your boat to a willow tree, climb the bank so high, above the blanket on the river, see every star in the sky. Smoking fog and families kept through the West Bank town. That smoking fog that burned and blowed, and folks that stay around. There was catfish with a kingfish and a culture spice gumbo, and there's coon-ass music playing on a glowing radio. There's and crackers on the side, the Last Chance Cafe. There's crawfish etouffee, warm red river Beaujolais. Now it's winter on the river, and of course with swollen tide meets the warm southern breeze from the Gulf of Memories. Missouri and clear Ohio give the currents to the tide. Now the river's Louisiana's for that willow tree line ride. Now they're sandbagging the levee, now shoveling night and day. It was the year 27, it's gonna wash us all away. Oh, the levee gonna bust on your side of mine. A little dynamite on your side help the river make its mine. Now folks left to smoke the town, left it all behind. Starting life on high ground, gonna get out just in time. There's been juleps at Oak Alley, well there's poison in the air. There's new dangers on the river, but it's so good to be from there. Now it's winter on the river, and of course we're swollen tide meets the warm southern breeze from the Gulf of Memories. Missouri and clear Ohio give the currents to the tide. Now the river's Louisiana's for that willow tree line ride.